Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to start sprint in Jira. So simply what you need to do, just you have to click on backlog. So simply when you open the backlog, just you can see there are some sprints here. If you don't have any sprint, so first of all you have to create a sprint, then you can easily start it. So simply click here and just here you can create a sprint. You can also add the name here and also duration and start date here. Successfully now you have created the sprint. So now to start the sprint you have to move the issue into sprint. Without dragging the issue you cannot start the sprint. Here you can see we have moved the issue and just click on the start the sprint, and simply in this way you can start a sprint.